Have you ever wondered why some of the biggest YouTubers out there treat their channels like full-time jobs? It's not just because they're passionate about creating content. They're also raking in serious cash from their channels. Have you ever wondered just how much they're making and how they're doing it? Welcome to SideHustlr. Are you looking to turn your passion into a profitable side hustle? Look no further. This channel is for entrepreneurs and freelancers looking for practical tips and inspiration to build a successful side hustle or online business. And in today's video, we're sharing with you 5 game-changing ways to make money on YouTube. Trust us, these tips are too good to miss. Continue watching to the end to start turning your dreams into a reality. YouTube currently has 2.1 billion active monthly users, and the amount of content uploaded to the platform is growing rapidly, with over 500 hours of video posted every minute. These numbers show that YouTube is only gaining in popularity and is not likely to slow down anytime soon. You won't believe the kind of money some YouTubers are making. Just take Olga K, for example. A recent feature in the New York Times revealed that she's been raking in between $8,300 and $10,800 per month. That's $100,000 to $130,000 per year from her channel over the past 3 years. And she's not the only one. Even TV channels and media outlets are getting in on the action, uploading their videos to YouTube and reaping the financial benefits of all those views. Don't you want a piece of that pie? Are you curious about the possibility of making money on YouTube? Well, the good news is that it's definitely possible, and it all starts with YouTube monetization. This is the process of turning your videos into a source of income, and it's something that every aspiring YouTuber should be familiar with. But here's the catch. Just uploading videos to YouTube won't automatically make you money. To begin seeing financial benefits from your content, you'll need to enable monetization in your account settings and decide whether you want to participate in YouTube's partner program or get a share from YouTube Premium subscriptions. So the question is, are you ready to turn your passion for creating videos into a lucrative career? So, what are some ways to make money on YouTube? Let's discuss 5 ways. The YouTube Partnership Program allows creators to monetize their videos through ads, merchandise, and more. As a partner, you'll have access to a range of monetization features, opportunities for collaboration with brands and industry professionals, and a supportive community of fellow creators. Plus, with access to resources and support from YouTube, you'll have everything you need to succeed and turn your hobby into a full-time job. There are a few things to keep in mind if you're considering joining the YouTube Partnership Program. Eligibility requirements. To be eligible for the program, you'll need to meet specific criteria, including having at least 4,000 public watch hours in the past 12 months and at least 1,000 subscribers. Advertiser-friendly content. In order to monetize your videos through ads, your content must be appropriate for all audiences and comply with YouTube's advertiser-friendly guidelines. YouTube's Terms of Service. It's essential to familiarize yourself with YouTube's Terms of Service and community guidelines to ensure that your content and actions on the platform are in compliance. Tax implications. As a creator, you may be responsible for paying taxes on any income you earn through the YouTube Partner Program. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the tax implications of making money on YouTube and to seek the advice of a tax professional if necessary. YouTube's policies may change. YouTube's policies and terms of service may change over time, so it's crucial to stay up to date and ensure that you comply. Another way to make money on YouTube is through YouTube Premium. This subscription service gives users access to ad-free videos, exclusive content, and other perks. If you have a channel eligible for YouTube Premium, you'll be able to earn a share of the revenue generated from users who subscribe to the service. You should consider selling merch and another option to monetize your YouTube channel and engage with your audience. Selling merch through your YouTube channel is a great way to make money and connect with your viewers on a deeper level. Whether you sell t-shirts, hats, stickers, or any other merchandise, it's a great way to show your personality and give your viewers a way to support you and your content. Just look at Drake. He sells t-shirts and uses YouTube as a platform for advertisement. And he's not the only one. Many successful YouTubers have transitioned into running their own businesses. Now, you might be wondering how to get started with selling merch on your YouTube channel. The first thing you'll need to do is find a supplier for your merchandise. There are many options out there, from online retailers to local suppliers. Just make sure you research and find a supplier that offers high-quality products at a reasonable price for you and your customers. Once you've found a supplier, it's time to start promoting your merch on your YouTube channel. You could do this through your videos, in your channel description, and even in your social media profiles. Make sure to showcase your merchandise in a way that's appealing to your audience, and feel free to get creative. Another great way to promote your merch is through unboxing and product review videos. This can help you showcase your merchandise and give your viewers a better idea of what they're getting when they make a purchase. Promoting your products on your YouTube channel is another great way to drive traffic to your website and increase sales. Whether you already have an e-commerce business or are just starting out, you can mention your products in your videos and include links to them in the description for your viewers to access easily. Turn your YouTube channel into a thriving e-commerce business with Shopify. Setting up a store has never been easier, and once it's up and running, you could start selling products that your audience will love. This is a fantastic way to monetize your YouTube channel and turn your passion into a profitable venture. So if you're looking for ways to make money on YouTube, consider promoting your products on your channel. As your following grows, businesses will likely approach you about marketing their products in exchange for payment. One option is to affiliate with these companies and use product placement in your videos. You can also join well-known affiliate programs to expand your network. But be careful, viewers can tell when something is being sold, so it's important only to endorse products that you genuinely believe your audience will find useful and to be transparent about your partnerships with your viewers. Following these guidelines will help you stay in compliance with YouTube's regulations. Super Chat is a feature on YouTube that allows viewers to purchase special messages that stand out in the chat during a live stream. These messages can be highlighted in a different color and stay pinned to the top of the chat for a certain amount of time, depending on the amount paid. Now, you might be wondering how to use Super Chat to monetize your live streams. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure you have the feature enabled on your channel. From there, it's just a matter of promoting Super Chat to your viewers during your live streams. You could do this by talking about the feature, highlighting it in your chat, and even offering incentives for viewers who use it. Another great way to use Super Chat is by setting up specific tiers for different levels of donations. For example, you could have a $1 Super Chat that lasts for 5 minutes, a $5 Super Chat that lasts for 15 minutes, and a $10 Super Chat for 30 minutes. This can encourage your viewers to donate more and make your live streams more interactive and engaging. To maximize your income with Super Chat, you can promote your live streams on social media platforms and within your videos, where your audience already spends time. This can help increase viewership and engagement during your live streams, leading to higher earnings. With some planning and marketing, you can turn your live streams into a lucrative source of income on YouTube. Can you make money on YouTube without creating videos? You may be looking for a way to make money on YouTube without creating your own content. If so, consider using Creative Commons licensed videos. Creative Commons is a licensing system that allows creators to share their work with the public while still retaining some rights. There are a few different types of Creative Commons licenses, some allowing others to reuse and monetize the licensed material. So, how can you use Creative Commons licensed videos to make money on YouTube? The first thing you'll need to do is find videos that are licensed under Creative Commons and are available for reuse. You can do this by searching for Creative Commons videos on YouTube or using a website like creativecommons.org. Once you've found some videos that you'd like to use, you'll need to make sure you're using them in accordance with the terms of the Creative Commons license. This typically means giving credit to the original creator and following any other restrictions that may be in place. Once you've found and properly used some Creative Commons licensed videos, you can monetize your content on YouTube. You could do this by enabling monetization in your account settings and running ads on your videos. Just keep in mind that you'll still need to meet the requirements of views and subscribers before you're eligible to monetize your content. How much money can you make on YouTube? Now, you might wonder how much money you can make on YouTube. The short answer is, it depends. The truth is, the earning potential for a YouTube channel can vary widely depending on many factors. One important factor is the number of views you get on your videos. The more views you get, the more money you'll be able to make through ads and other monetization methods. However, it's important to note that the amount you earn per view can vary depending on the type of ads you run and other factors. Another factor that can impact your earnings on YouTube is the quality of your content. If you're creating high-quality, engaging videos that people want to watch, you're more likely to attract a larger audience and earn more money. Finally, the type of ads you run can also impact your earnings. Different types of ads pay out different amounts, and others may be more effective for certain types of content. So, how much money can a YouTube channel make? It's hard to say for sure, but successful YouTubers can earn 6 figures or more from their channels. With a little bit of hard work, determination, and attention to these key factors, you could be on your way to earning a substantial income from your YouTube channel. While it's certainly possible to become a successful YouTuber, it's essential to keep in mind that a number of factors can impact your success on the platform, some of which may be out of your control. One thing to be aware of is that the YouTube algorithm is constantly evolving. This means that the way YouTube ranks and promotes videos can change based on the demands and tastes of the audience. So, if you want to earn well from YouTube, it's important to stay on top of updates and adjust your strategy accordingly. Don't let this discourage you, though. With hard work, dedication, and a willingness to adapt, you could still achieve YouTube fame and build a successful career on the platform. Just make sure you're aware of the various factors that can impact your success, and be prepared to pivot as needed. In conclusion, YouTube is a powerful platform that offers endless opportunities for creators to make money. Whether you're interested in joining the YouTube Partnership Program, monetizing your videos through YouTube Premium, or finding creative ways to sell products or services through your channel, there's a path for you. With a bit of hard work, dedication, and a willingness to adapt to changes in the platform, you can turn your passion for creating videos into a lucrative career. So don't wait. Start exploring your options and take the first step toward turning your YouTube dreams into a reality.